A playground at your house can be one of the best investments in your child's life, but it also needs to be a safe area to play. Mowing and trimming around it can be time-consuming and annoying. Mud and bare spots can plague the look of the play area. Installing rubber mulch around your playground is not only aesthetically pleasing, but most importantly, it's a much safer alternative to other solutions. Our rubber mulch is also guaranteed to hold its color for 12 years. To get started, make sure your play area is smooth and level. Make sure you cut your grass low, blow away any trimmings, and kill any grass and weeds, so installing is easier. Next, measure the length and width to calculate your approximate square footage. Make sure to leave enough room around the playground so there's extra room to run. This is especially important if you're planning on curving the edges. Now is the time to put any markers down so you know where everything will go. Head on over to our website and pick out your choice of rubber mulch color. Using the length and width of the area, we'll be able to give you a calculation of how much mulch you'll need. Add the appropriate amount of mulch to your cart, along with any other accessories you might need, like landscape fabric, borders, and slide mats. After you place your order, our team at our factory in Lakewood, New Jersey will prepare your order and get it loaded onto our trucks. A friendly driver then heads out to your house. For all pallet deliveries, you'll be contacted by the delivery company to confirm the date and time. All deliveries are curbside and include liftgate service at the location of your choice. Once the truck arrives, they'll unload your order. We recommend to instruct the driver to deliver to the curb closest to where your playground is located to make transferring easier. Now that your order has been delivered, it's time to get to work. Start by laying out the landscape fabric over the area, cutting, folding, or tucking around any existing structures. Make sure to overlap the edges of the fabric and secure the fabric with landscape staples. If you're installing a border from us, start by laying them out to make sure you have the shape set correctly. Once you're happy with the shape, hammer in the included 18-inch stakes to secure the border in place, and place on the rubber caps. Trim away any excess landscape fabric sticking out of the borders. Bring your bags of mulch over to the playground area and start to empty the bags. Depending on the amount of mulch you purchase, you may want to have a few friends to help speed things up. Each 40-pound bag of our 1/2-inch to 5/8 inch rubber mulch nuggets covers 1.55 cubic feet at a depth of 3 inches. Once you've opened up a few bags, start to rake it over to evenly fill in spaces to your desired depth. Pay close attention to high fall areas so there's enough coverage. Work your way around areas underneath stairs and slides to fill in the area. After you've finished adding in the mulch, you can place down your slide mats. Now that you've completed it, sit back and enjoy watching your kids playing safely, knowing you made the right choice for your children's playground. Get started creating a safer play area today at rubbermulch.com.